Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can print the charts and all the information present in this chart, like the planets information, the dasa information, and different Varga charts. So how you can print those charts and information, and I will also be showing different options available in this software. So let's get started. So to print the chart, you have to go to File menu, and then there are options like print preview, and print setup. So when you click on the print menu, it will it will show a pop-up where you can select your printer and set the printer properties, and also set the print range, whether you want to print all the pages or only from certain page to certain page. And also you can set the number of copies you want to print. And so let's cancel this, and there is another option called print setup. So this is just setting up the printer, and there is the option called print preview. So when you click on print preview, you need to provide the name for this bot chart. So for example, let's say I'll name it as test native and click OK. So that name will, in this is the print preview page. So the native's name, the person's name, will be printed here, over here at the top left. And the information that you see at the top left corner in this box is the name, like the astrologer name and address, which you can adjust from the settings. I'll show you later about it. So in this print preview page, you can see different information like the birth data, like the birth date, time, location of this chart. And here you can see the planets information, the longitude of the planet, the nakshatra, pada and rashi of the planet. And then you'll see the natal chart, rashi chart, and the navamsa chart. And then below that you'll see the dasa information. For the first dasa that is displayed is the Vimshatari dasa. It shows the dasha, antardasa, and pratantar dasha's information. And then you can click on the next page button over here at the top, or you can scroll down like this, so it will go to the next page. So the next page shows that information about Ashtak Varga of the Rashi chart and the Sadvalas of the Rashi chart. So let's click on the next page button. So it shows in the next page we see the Ashtatari dasa and other dasas. And let me scroll down, so you'll see the Sula dasas. All these are dasa related information. And at the bottom you will see different divisional charts, the Varga charts. So here is D4 chart, there is the D2 chart and D40 chart. And when you scroll more to the down, you see other D3, D27, D20, and finally you see the D30 and D60 chart. And the test native is the person's name that we entered. Let me go to the top of this preview. So to preview this chart, this is the one page layout, and you can also click on the 2 pages button where you can preview this chart in 2 page layout. And then let's switch back to 1 page, and there is zoom in button, which you can click and zoom the information in this preview. So when I click on zoom in, it will just zoom in. So it has option to zoom in for a couple of times, and then you can zoom out. So it has 2 or 3 times of zoom in and zoom out feature. So from here also you can click on print button, and which will show the print pop-up, and then you can click on OK. Then this will print the chart. So let me cancel it. So this is all about print and print preview. And there is, like I said earlier, there is an option where you can add some settings for the print data that you want to print. So for that you need to go to preferences menu, and then under preferences menu there is related to display submenu, and under that submenu there is pages to include in printouts and astrologer's name and address for printouts. So let me first click on the astrologer's name and address for printouts. So when I click on that, you'll see this information over here. So you can write down your own name, address, or anything, any information that you'd like to share or you like to add in the show in the printout. So let me say this is a test astrologer name, and let me put it as New York, USA. So let me click OK, and now when I click OK, that's saved in the preferences. Now when I go to print preview, let's put it as test. Okay, so yeah, as you can see at the top left corner, the name that I set in the preferences, the astrologer name and address, that's showing up in this printout or in the print preview. So this will be printed when you print this chart. So let's close this, and let's see another option under preferences related to display. There is another option, another menu called pages to include in printout. So when I click on this, it will show different pages that are included in the printouts. So the first one is basics, like the birth data, longitudes, Rashi, Navamsa, and Vimshattari Dasha. The second one is strengths, the Ashtak Varga strength, Shadbalaji strength, Vabala strengths, and the other is, like the third one is other key dasas, like Mula Dasha, Ashtatari Dasha, and Kala Chakra Dasha. And then there are more dashas information, and finally at the bottom you can see different divisional charts. So you can uncheck if you don't want to print any of these charts. So for example, if I uncheck the last three options of divisional charts, then in the printout it will not print the divisional charts, it will print up to the Yogini Dasha. So let's click OK, and then when I go to file, print preview, and just I'll name it randomly, and when I scroll down to the bottom, so in the print preview the last one is the Yogini Dasha, so it will not print the divisional charts because I have unchecked the divisional chart option from the settings. So let's close this, and related to display, pages to include in printouts, so let me check them back again. So there's the last option over here is I don't have a color printer, print in black and white only. So if you have a color printer, you can uncheck this, and if you have a black and white printer, then you need to check this. Otherwise, as it says here, trying to print color pages on black and white printer may result in printouts that are not sewed up. So yeah, that's all about the printing page settings. Hope you got some information in this video, and hope you liked the video. I'll be creating more videos on other sections of this Jagannatha Hora astrology software. So if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.